Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to another one of my tutorials. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how you can establish a remote desktop connection between two machines. Now, these two machines could be client on a server, or a server to server, or client to client, it doesn't really matter. So now, the first thing you want to do is to ensure that the two machines can communicate with each other. And in this case, I'm running Server 2008, and I want to remote into my Windows Vista machine. So first we can open the command line and try ping 192.1.2. This IP is the Windows Vista IP, so as you can see here, I can establish connection with it. Now the second thing you want to do is to enable remote desktop connection. So you do that by right-clicking Computer, Properties, Remote Settings, log in as someone with privileges, enable the connections, apply. Okay, so now you go back on your machine, remote desktop connection. Right now, there are two ways to actually log into the other client machine. One is to actually type in the IP address of the machine, and the next way is to actually type in the name of the computer. So at first, I'm going to try it with the IP address, and I'll just click on connect, and I'll log in as the administrator. Notice that you need someone with privileges in order to log in for this to work properly, right? Like if I try to log in as Bob Frisky, it will fail. I will show it to you guys just now, but for now I'm going to log in as administrator. Alright, as you can see here, there's a message telling me that if I want to continue logging this computer, the current user needs to disconnect from the computer. So they ask me if I want to continue. I will click yes and go on the client machine, and you see this pop-up message asking me to disconnect. I just press OK. Now surprisingly, if I press cancel, what happens is it will terminate the remote session. Although I'm trying to log in as an administrator in the domain, so I don't really know why, but probably if I use the policies, I'll probably override that. But anyway, as you can see here, I'm currently logged in into this Windows Vista machine as the administrator. Okay, and well, you can do whatever you want to do. Maybe make a new file or whatever. Or to macro the user's business. Doesn't really matter, so I'm just going to log off here. Okay, so now I'm actually going to try logging in using the name of the PC, which is winvistapc.testlab.com. Notice that this name here is case insensitive, because the name of my PC is actually WinVista with a capital V and capital PC, but apparently I have tried both and they seem to work very well. Like even if I try to put capital V here, it works the same as if I just leave it as a common V. So I guess this is case insensitive. So this time I'm going to try and remote in as Bob Frisky. Let me first disconnect from this client. So I'm just going to log off. Okay, I click on connect. Now you should notice something. Right now it is saying domain WinVista PC, which means that if I try to log in now, I'm actually going to log into a local PC, and I don't want that. I'm going to log in into the domain. So again, we press testlab /Bob Frisky and enter VNC. Okay, as you can see, this connection has been denied because the user account is not authorized for the remote login. So again, you probably need maybe to give some rights to this user in order for this remote connection to work, or maybe change some group policies in this domain. That's okay. Okay, now before I wrap up this video, I want to talk about other of the remote desktop connection solutions. There are programs like TeamViewer, VNC Viewer, etc., etc. You probably can Google it and you will see more or less the popular software in terms of remote desktop connections. Okay, thank you everyone for watching. I do hope you guys enjoyed it.